friends, it's Nancy, and today we're working on week 28, Patriotic, and we definitely have to do that in July, the whole month of July, especially because America is celebrating their 250th birthday. And God bless America, that's what I say. So anyway, I have been saving some images, not many, believe it or not, because they're all kind of coming out now, so you probably have a better chance of finding some things now. But I have this from an envelope from my church. I have this assembled in the USA, celebrating America's 250th birthday. These are stickers that came in the mail from the veterans, and this little flag said veteran owns. This actually was from a Mary Jane Farms at one time, yeah, and celebrating independence. So I have those. I have the white frame, which I did kind of carefully ink the inside and outside with some blue oxide ink, just to give it that hue, because it kind of does pick up a little bit. And then for background, I just took a piece of scrapbook paper from a stash. So I think this will make a striking background. So once again, I have my white frame, even though I used it, you use whatever you think works best, right? I don't think, I might have a little bit hanging out, but pretty much everything is going to be mostly in the frame. So I am good to glue this down, and I'm grateful for that, because sometimes I have a difficult time, right, doing things. So let me see, I wanted to kind of center it like that, the frame. So I'm going to move this here. So I hope you all had a wonderful 4th of July celebration. I am working on these frame collages ahead of time. While I have a little bit of time, I wanted to get ahead, especially because I'm going, well, right by now I'm back from vacation, but I'm making it before I go to vacation. So yeah, it's kind of weird, because you want to tell people how things work, because you should, but I haven't even gone yet. Anyway, you know what I mean. So I hope you're all doing well. Hope your July is going well. Your weather's good. Everybody's enjoying the outdoors if they can. Just enjoying summer, because I don't know about you, but the older I get, the more my life goes very fast, and the days go fast, and the seasons go fast, and it's like when you're a kid or when you're younger, you just kind of go with it. It is what it is, and then you can't wait for the next thing and the next thing and the next thing. And now, it's like, oof, I need everything to slow down a little more. It's going so fast, right? Let me know if you feel that way. I do. So I'm grateful for every day I have, that I wake up, and you know what I'm saying. So I as much as I love fall, I do not want to hurry it along. But I want to enjoy every aspect of every day of my life. So okay, that was deep. Okay, so I'm going to glue it on there. So I can glue my frame on right away. So I'm very happy about that, because everything else will go inside or will be hanging off the side. So this will be an easy one. So I'm just working with what I had found, but I'm sure, depending on what kind of brochures or magazines or free little things you get in the mail or in your grocery store, everybody's got some different type of thing. And then if you do live in America, there should be some really good stuff, because we're celebrating 250 years. So that would be nice too. You should have a lot of nice stuff to play with, right? Okay, I'm going to do that and put that on like so. Let's see how that looks. I think we're good. Wow. I don't know if I ever got a frame on that easy before. Okay. So I like her, and I cut around her hand. So these were actually stickers that my husband got in the mail from a veterans, you donate money type thing, and they were actually white circles, but I cut them out of the circle. So I'm hoping I can get them off the sticker paper, but I thought it'd be really nice if she held a star in her hand like so. I think it's perfect. So I think what I'm going to do is I want her to hold it like this, right? So I do have to take the backing off. Okay, let me see if I can get that off without ruining it. Otherwise I have to cut another one. I don't want to waste time doing that. Yeah, this is a little hard to get here, so so let's see here. Okay, I think I got it started. There we go. Okay, so there's the star, and I want it to go in her hand like this, like her thumb is on it. There we go. Okay, so her hand is in there. That's good. Okay, I got a fuzzy on here or something. Okay, well, let's not rip her arm off here. Okay, so I'm going to have her kind of like, her foot can be like stepping out of the frame, maybe something like that. Like that, maybe. I'm not going to, and I like her head in the white because she pops out of there better. And the next big, well, I want to put, let's see, I know I want this up here kind of coming out like that. Those are my two main things I have, something like that. I want some more of that red on top there, that. And then this here, I wanted to put like behind her, kind of there, like that. So maybe I'm going to put that there first. Let's get some glue paper. Oh my goodness, where is my glue paper here? Sorry. Okay, I've got that. Glue paper, trying to stay in frame. I'm going to use my glue stick for this, and I'm off to the side. I apologize. I'm off to the side. Glue paper, glue stick. Okay, and then here we go. So I want her about there. So I want this to be under her dress slightly, like there. I'm going to move her. Because I'm pretty sure I know where to go. I hope that's where I wanted it. Let's place her again. She's going to go, where's she going? Here. Like here? Yeah. Like that, right? I'm going to have her there. So yeah, that works. Okay, that's fine there. Okay. And I think I could put her down. So let me I'll put that there so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to put glue stick on her. I almost ripped her arm off. I think I did rip it a little. I always want to lift up, and I keep telling myself, you can't do that. Oh yeah, I did rip her arm, but I think we're going to be okay. Because if you lift up, then, I can't talk. Hold on. Please hold. Yeah, you know how it is. Okay, I'm going to put her here. Oh, maybe a little more higher. I want that star to be higher. Okay, there we go. Is her arm okay? A little too much glue there. Let me, there we go. I think she's okay now. Okay, got that so far. All right, and I think I can put this down. So I'm gonna put glue stick on this here. Yeah, this was nice. I definitely wanted to, we had to do this page for sure, right? So I'm gonna put this like kinda by her shoulder, but I want it to be over, but I want red around it so it really pops, and I did kind of outline that in the blue as well. Okay. All right, now I think I want this one assembled in the USA because, yeah, you know, things are usually assembled out of the country. We really have to support USA and what they make. Okay, I'm going to rip this here. We need to produce more in country, I think, in my opinion. That's just my opinion, but unfortunately we don't, and we all buy things from other countries because it's available and it's there and it's cheap. But if it's possible to buy something that's American made, I will do my best to do that. I usually do that, so I'm sure I'm not alone in that. Okay, I have this veteran owns, I have a little heart and celebrating independence. Now this one here, I was just going to kind of put across here like that, kind of right there. I guess I'm leaving it in the frame like that. I don't mind it going over her leg. So, and for some reason she didn't have another leg because her leg is like up, she's running, so that's what that means. But it's fine, it doesn't bother me that she doesn't have a leg. So all right, let's put this like right about here, pull it a little bit, and is that even? As even as I'm gonna get. I like it so far. See, it's pretty simple. This is a sticker that I cut. I'm gonna put this here, I think, kind of over the frame. Very easy to do this one here. So I'm gonna kind of do that, like that. Now I have more of those stickers. I could probably add more, but then you know what? It gets to a point where it's too much. I'm going to put this little veteran own like right here, right here. I don't know. Do I need something here? I don't know. Let's get this on first. And if sometimes I like the red though. See, I like to see the red. So I don't feel like I need something, but we'll see. Right, I want to put this like right here, like there. I think it's fine the way it is. I'm liking it. I don't think I need to add anything else. I really like how this turned out. So that was from an envelope from my church, Mary Jane Farm, stickers from mail, some veterans mail, and then Celebrating Independence was from a magazine, and these here were from a little 5-page flyer of services that are offered in our area, and a lot of them have, you know, their product is made in the USA, and some companies are veteran-owned companies. So I really enjoyed making this one. I hope you have fun making your tribute, and yeah, it was really nice. So, okay, so then we're on week 28 already. So then the next one will be picnic. Oh, that'll be fun. Picnic. I can always picture that already. Picnic. When's the last time you were on a picnic? I mean, a real picnic, you know, like, well, on a blanket with a basket of food and blah, blah, blah. Or maybe at a picnic table, because sometimes you can't get up off the blanket, right? I have to roll and grab onto somebody and like, I gotta get up. But it's fun sitting on a blanket. But yeah, well, y'all know that, right? I don't have to say anymore. Okay, everybody, have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Okay, take care now. Bye.